Welcome back guys. In this video we will learn how to change the icon of our application in Android Studio. Here you can see we have two pictures. The first one is of icon which is provided by Android by default, and the second one which we will add manually. So open the project in which you want to change your icon. Then open the resource folder in left side and go to MIPMap. In MIPMap you will see two folders, that is IC Launcher and IC Launcher Round. These are the default images which are provided by Android Studio. When we launch our app, we see these icons as by default. To add new icon, just right click on resource and go to new, and here you will see two options, image asset and vector asset. Click on image asset, and here you can see these are the images by default provided by Android. Just change this by changing the path. In source asset, click on the path here and select the icon you want to add. I have selected the icon, but the icon is going out of the box. You resize it and from this option and try to put main things in this box, and I am resizing it. As you can see, in the fourth option there is a background is coming with green color. If you want to change this background, click on the background tab. Just below it in source asset, click on color and select the color you want. I am selecting here blue. After selecting the color, click on next here, next, and you will see the source. In source you will see many options. You will have to select the main one to change this icon. Here are many options. You have to select the main one. By default my main was selected. You can see the image resolution here, 512x512, and then click on finish. You will see one more folder is added in MIPMap, that is IC Launcher. This folder is recently created by us by adding the image. You can see here these are all our icons, and now you can run the app, and this is the resulting icon. If you have any question, write in comment box. I will try to solve it. Thank you for watching the video.